Samsung just dropped a game-changing update for One UI 8 beta users. And trust me, it's not just a boring list of bug fixes. We're talking smoother visuals, smarter features, and some big upgrades that make your Galaxy feel brand new, even before the stable release lands. While most Galaxy users are still waiting for the stable One UI 8 update, Samsung has thrown us a surprise. The beta program is no longer just for the Galaxy S25. It's now expanding to more devices, and the latest One UI 8 Beta 4 is here for the S25 series. So what's new? Let's break it down. Widgets that pop. Samsung made widgets easier to read by giving them bigger, bolder text. Whether it's the time, weather, or your calendar events, you can now check them at a glance without squinting. Emergency IMS updates. This one's all about keeping your calls and messages running smoothly. If something breaks, Samsung can now push a quick IMS fix without waiting for a full system update. Better videos on DeX. If you use Samsung DeX, videos now go full screen more smoothly. Less lag, more cinematic feel. Perfect for multitaskers who love watching content while working. Bug fixes and polished performance. Galaxy AI reply suggestions now work flawlessly. Voice-triggered Bixby routines feel snappier, and annoying bugs are gone. We're talking lock screen quick launch icons fixed, gallery issues with iNavi dashcam videos gone, fingerprint errors fixed, swipe to call now works with TalkBack on, camera level gauge flicker eliminated. This update is proof that Samsung isn't just adding features, they're fine-tuning everything before the stable launch. And here's the exciting part. Samsung confirmed the beta will expand to Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Galaxy S24 series starting August 11th, with even more devices joining in September 2025. If you're in the beta program, install Beta 4 right now. You'll notice the difference instantly. And if you're not, stick around, because I'll keep you updated on every new feature before the stable version drops. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop a comment telling me which feature you're most hyped for. The One UI 8 journey is just getting started.